Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you when you connect a USB pen drive to your iPhone, after connecting, if your work is done, can't find the safely eject option to remove your pen drive safely from your iPhone. So be careful, removing wrong way can corrupt your file. That's why you need to follow some easy and simple method to safely eject USB pen drive from iPhone. On Android and Windows PC, you always get a safely eject button, okay, but on iPhone there is no eject option at all. First you need to open the Files app. Okay, in the Files app, here you can get your USB pen drive, as you can see guys in my screen. If any files currently copying or transferring from iPhone to USB or USB to iPhone, if yes, don't remove USB pen drive while transferring file. It can corrupt your files. If you have any video playing in the background or a file open from the USB, so you need to close it all from your recent menu like this. Once everything is ideal, no transfer, no open, no copying file, you can safely unplug your USB pen drive directly from your iPhone like this. Okay, there is no eject button on iPhone. This is the correct safe method to eject the USB pen drive from your iPhone. The most common mistake is removing the USB during the file transfer. Now you know the correct and safe way to remove a USB pen drive from your iPhone without losing any data. So hope you enjoy this video. This is very short and very simple video, but very informative video. If this help you out, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.